This is the whole reason you don't get a constant FPS on all your airsoft guns. These are .3s. Now we get them out. That one, 0.3. .31 from .3s. 0.3. 0.28 from 0.3. 0.3. 0.29. 0.29. That is from 0.3s. Next, we're going to do 0.2s. So a 0.2 is weighing 0.21. Next 0.2. 0.2 and 2.2. Okay. 0.919. One more 0.2 would do. Way 0.2. Right. Go over to, we're now going to do blasters, tracer rounds, 2.5s. That's a 2.5, weighs 2.7. Another blaster, tracer round, 2.5. Another one, 2.5. One, 2.6. We're now on 2.5, so. And another one, 2.5. So as you can see, not every BB in the 2.5s weigh 2.5, not every BB in the 2s weigh 2, not every BB in the 0.3s weigh 0.3. Why you get a different FPS every time you fire your gun. You're never going to get a constant FPS.